Yesterday I swapped a large camp oven for a small camp oven that is just perfect to fit in my little pizza oven. Now remember, I only have 11.5 centimeters in the pizza oven in height. So I've put it in. It came out of the Banneton really well. It cut really well with a lamp, and it was in here with this on as a lid for 18 minutes. And I took the lid off and I was so happy to see it had, what do you call it, oven spring, and I am so happy. So now it's back in. You just wait and see what it looks like. It's waiting. While I'm waiting the next 15 minutes or so, this is what I'm doing. I'm learning the ukulele. Now this is a banjolele that I bought at an opportunity shop. I'm doing a 30-day course. It's going quite well. So while I wait, I'll go back to practice. I think it's pretty good. I'm very happy with this. A little bit dark on the far side, but overall, I think that's a pretty good loaf of sourdough bread.